This is the grounding electrode resistance calculator, which determines the resistance value of a ground rod installation based on your specific site conditions. Let's walk through the 3 input fields you'll need to complete. First, enter the rod length in feet. This is the total length of your grounding rod. Second, input the rod diameter in inches. Measure the diameter of your ground rod. Third, provide the soil resistivity in ohm feet. This critical value varies based on your soil type and moisture content. For this demonstration, I'm using a rod length of 10 feet, a rod diameter of 10 inches, and a soil resistivity of 10 ohm feet. After clicking Calculate Ground Resistance, the calculator provides our result, ground resistance of 0.62 ohms. This 0.62 ohm value represents the electrical resistance between your ground rod and the surrounding earth. Lower resistance values indicate better grounding performance, and this result of 0.62 ohms is well below the typical 25 ohm requirement for most electrical codes, making it an excellent grounding solution. Find the link in the description below.